Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS6020 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS6020 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS6020. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page here, you want to just scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to go underneath print driver and scan utility installer and select download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that file up. Should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. So you should be able to just go ahead and select yes to confirm, and then let this process begin here to install. And select next, select your region, and accept the end user license terms. And then you can select your preferred connection type and then just proceed with continuing the installation wizard here, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.